Okay, you see how I showed you either this or this? Basically, I'm just making sushi rice. And usually when I cook rice, I put at least a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar in the rice cooker while it's cooking. And then I mixed in some furikake. I'm basically using ingredients that I have left because I'm trying to use up everything before they're no good. Because once again, we overshopped. Yeah, so there's avocados we need to use, jalapenos, I'll probably put that on after, and jalapenos, avocados, oh, and radish sprouts. So that would go good with, I'm gonna make a sushi bake. Yeah, use up some ingredients. And then we have watercress that needs to be used. So I'm probably gonna make like a mabo tofu with ground pork tofu, and I'll throw in the watercress with that also. With it's a big tray of ground pork, so half of that I'll use for that, and then the other half I'll make some spring rolls. So next, use the I got just shredded imitation crab. Usually in sushi bake you mix it with salmon, also shredded salmon, but I don't have that. I'm just trying to use ingredients that I have, and I'm just making it my way, so like off the top of my head. It's gonna be good no matter what. Watch me. Okay, let's put in the shredded crab. Oh wait, you know what? Hold on, I need something. All right. As I was saying, okay, then add in some mayo, eye it out. When you feel it's enough, then it's enough. You know what I mean? Okay, so we have about that much. I think it's gonna need about this much. Add some sriracha. I finally did get the real one. What's up with that? Why was there a period of time when there wasn't any of the real deal sriracha? What happened? Anyways, okay. And then while I was in the store, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try and add some cream cheese. That might be good. So I'm also gonna add some cream cheese. Just gonna use my kitchen scissors as I do for everything, and just squeeze it in. I'm gonna squeeze in like almost half, but not really. Okay. So, and mix it all up. I'm going to use my hands because it's going to be easier and faster, and it will be better this way. Just better. No, I think I'm going to have to add a little more sriracha. Mix that all up. Ooh, look at that. And sorry, my glasses are always like falling off my nose because I don't have a nose bridge. Maybe I need to get a rhinoplasty. You know what I mean? Joking. No thank you. I tried getting Botox in, like, you know, like, what do they call it? The wrinkles by your eyes and in between your forehead and all that. And I got lip injections. That I don't think I'm ever doing that again. It's like I have a reaction or something to that. Okay, take that off. I think I gotta add a little more sriracha. And then, there we go. Okay. Next. Okay, so now let's get the rice, the sushi rice, and it's best to wet your rice spoon when you're doing this, okay? Keep it moist. And let's do a layer of that rice. It's so simple. Simple, but this goes a long way. I used to always do this for like get-togethers or like a work party or something, because it makes a lot, but it's so easy to make. Okay, then we just make a layer of this. See? Layer. Typically, I would probably add some cucumbers after too, on top or on the side, but we don't have that, and we're just using what I have, so nothing goes to waste. And I think this pan is a little too shallow, but it's okay. We'll just squish it all down and make sure. Okay, so now we're gonna add another layer of rice. Squish that all down. There we go. Fast and simple. Okay. And there's still a lot of leftover crab, so I think I'm just gonna put spread a little on top. I'm just being creative right now. Usually I won't do this step. Usually I'll just put the furikake and all of that already. But just to make it look aesthetically pleasing, I guess. Ah, it cut off. So far that we have that. Okay, next. I'm gonna get I call this the regular furikake. It's not like this one, which has like the fish flakes in it and all that. Bonito flakes. This is the regular furikake. Just like that. Then after, I'm gonna crush up more of that flavored nori on it. But first, oh, I should have got the squeeze mayo because that's what I needed. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Anyways, we are going to have to mix it then in a bowl. Let's mix some mayo and a little more sriracha. I'm just working with what I got, and okay, usually I would want like the squiggly lines on top, but I don't have, you know, the squeeze bottles, so, and I'm not gonna like go through all the work to make the squeeze bag and all that. My son's waiting to frickin' eat his lunch, and it's like 1 o'clock already, so okay, we're on a time crunch here. Anyways, so we're gonna do this. there, like that. Can you see that so far? Okay, and I'm just gonna throw it into broil on low in the oven for like 3 minutes. That's it. So next, let's get an avocado, and this is very ripe. It needs to be used. Which way should I cut it? I don't know. We'll just do what we feel, okay? I'm sure there's like fancy ways to cut this stuff, but this is what I'm doing. And then I should look up tutorials on how. Is this satisfying? Okay, there. Take out this. Just go like that. Voila. Okay. Have you ever tried growing an avocado from seed? I have. Just stick it in water with some toothpicks or something. Look it up. It's actually pretty easy. Okay, and then let's take this out. And there we go. We have our avocado. Next, I'm gonna add a little jalapeno, fresh jalapeno on some parts. Cut that part off. Really thin slices, like shaved almost. It gives that nice, fresh, crunchy taste. Not everybody will like this, so I think I'll put it on like half of the sushi bake. Okay, I didn't even remove the seeds. I'm on a roll. That's it. Okay, and then the radish sprouts, that needs to be used. The radish sprouts, my fave, with everything. It looks like that. I love just radish. I love radish shaved. You shave it and then mix it with soy sauce. Oh my god. Dip it in with sashimi. Oh. Okay, I just cut off the roots. So we'll put that on there. There's a lot, so I'm going to just add it on the side. Okay. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Okay, see? Do you see? Radish sprouts. My dog alerting. So I think let's move this on the side. Okay, so let's get the sushi now. Ooh, that looks good. Look at it. See that? Okay. So now we just decorate. Let me wash my hands. So let's put on some of the avocado. Like so. I mean, it doesn't look that aesthetically pleasing the way I'm doing it, but it will be good, okay? Look at that. That looks like a little bit too much avocado to me. I guess we can pick it as we need it. Let's just make it look cute for now. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll do that. Add some of this. Like, ooh, look at the spring garden coming into play. And then we need some nori, the flavored ones. You know what I mean. I know you know. Okay. Just grab some and just sprinkle it on top. Sprinkle it on top like that. Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay, and that's it, all done. Now I have a lot to clean. But, oh, I forgot to put the jalapenos, so let's put on some jalapenos. Like, just offer it on the side here, and people can pick as they want, even though people is just 3 people in here. My daughter can't eat this. But, delectable yummers. Oh yeah, let's put like just a little sushi ball right here, like so. Oh, presentation. Okay, it's all done. Do you want to see? Here we go. And that, my people, is my sushi bake. Okay, next. Okay, we're gonna taste test it. You like to eat yours like that, yeah?
Yeah.
You like to put it, but it's layers. It's the sushi.
Oh, is the
bake.
crab underneath?
Yeah. So there's some jalapeno here in it because I have to use up the avocado. So this is basically a giant California roll. You're gonna take like a corner of this one. Just go like that. Oh yeah, let's take out a corner. We're gonna take out a corner so you can see the layers.
Oh yeah.
Can you
Nice.
see
Yeah, I see what
that?
you mean.
Can you see that? The layers.
Kind of blends in.
Yeah.
I'll take some jalapeno.
Okay. I'll take mine with this. Usually what we'll do is take a nori too and you can wrap it in there.
Oh.
And he'll do that. Like so. Whoa, you got like 4 jalapenos on there. That's going to be spicy.
Yeah, I'm taking some off.
Okay.
All right.
Ready? Mmm. Tastes like sushi. I love these. You know what I miss? And I still have his handwritten recipe that he would leave on his refrigerator. My grandfather's, Japanese pickled cabbage called sukemono. I remember he would always have it preparing and he would make it because it takes a while next to his sink, and I'll just watch it drooling waiting for it to be done. But now I have his recipe in his handwriting and it brings back so many memories. And I like to eat that on the side with a lot of my rice dishes. Sukemono. It's hard to find now in a lot of restaurants. They don't serve that in the Japanese restaurants. Once we went to the one in our town and the owner brought their own stash from the back because it's not on the menu. And they're surprised that I asked for that. Anyways, okay, we're gonna eat now. Bye.